Peace Divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel for all things holistic and eco and natural living. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, and even consider subscribing so you can be notified of more videos. And today I wanted to make a simple alkalizing juice. And yeah, that's about it. So let's get into this alkalizing juice. Okay, so this juice today, it has acidic ingredients such as lemon and grapefruit and watermelon. And I will be sure to put the ingredients in the description, of course. And the ingredients are acidic, but when it is inside of the body, it becomes alkaline. So let's start to make our juice. Oh, and I am using the Nama J2 juicer. And so I am going to take, I'm using about 2 cups of watermelon. And I'm using 1 grapefruit. And I'm using a half of a lemon. And be sure to wash, okay, your fruits and your veggies. And everything fits in here. I see everything fits in just one go, so that's really good. Okay, so now we are going to juice these ingredients. And like I said before, if you want to make a juice like this more alkaline, you can add things like sprouts. Because of course, the more vegetable-based green juices are very alkaline, of course. But this is definitely alkaline as well, even though it has acidic ingredients. And yeah, so. Okay, and so it looks like it's like a beautiful pinkish reddish color. Oh, that's more than I expected. Okay, so we have about a good, I would say about 16 ounces here. Oh yes, and now I'm going to pour our lovely watermelon, grapefruit, and lemon juice. And the grapefruit definitely dominates. And I'm going to pour this lovely juice into my big cup. And the amount perfectly fits inside of my cup. Okay, so I am going to try this lovely juice. Okay, it's really sweet. Definitely from the grapefruit and the watermelon, of course, you know. But this is so good. And so if you wanted to make this more alkaline, and you would add the sprouts and you would put it into the blender. So you would take this juice and you would put the sprouts into the blender with the juice and you'll blend it up. And so I hope you enjoy this quick alkaline video. I love my Divinez as always, and be sure to check out my other juicing videos. And as always, be well, be true to yourself. Peace Divinez.